The all-new Soundcore Boom 2 takes your music to the next level like never before. Everyone loved the last Soundcore speaker that I featured on the channel. Now I am highlighting this, the brand new Soundcore Boom 2. It is bass heavy and outdoor friendly. Before we get into it, I do want to thank Anker for sponsoring this video. Soundcore and Anker brand put a lot of effort into this to make it everyone's go-to portable speaker. Let me show you what I like so much about it. To start, the speaker is easy to carry with this top handle, and it's even easier to control with all these on-device buttons. It's got 24 hours of total playback time, but if you aren't using it that long, you can use it as a power bank to charge up your phone with the USB power output. The speaker can be controlled from the Soundcore app, including creating custom EQs. Aside from creating your own custom EQ, Soundcore has provided several that you can choose from as well. There's the Soundcore signature, which I think sounds really good. There's voice, which is awesome if you're going to be listening to spoken word stuff, comedy albums, or podcasts, anything like that. There's the treble boost, and then there is balanced. These are, again, up to you which one you prefer, or go in and customize your own. You can give it as much bass, treble, mids as you want, and really tune it to your preference. Two of these can be paired together for solid stereo sound, or you can sync up to 100 of them together for the ultimate party mode. Also, it's water resistant, IPX7 to be precise. That means it can withstand 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. If it gets caught up in a light rain, or perhaps something more, your tunes aren't gonna stop. Don't worry about water that's deeper than 1 meter though, because this thing also floats. You can safely hang out with it on the beach or by the pool and not have to worry if this thing happens to fall in. I mean, frankly, what more do you need out of a portable speaker? Well, I guess good audio quality. Yeah, audio quality would probably be important. The Boom 2 has 60 watts of standard audio output in a 2.1 channel stereo system with also a frequency response range from 45 Hz to 20 kHz. If you look at the 2.1, what that actually means is that there are two tweeters. If you can kind of see behind the panel here, there are two 10-watt silk tweeters in here, and that 0.1 is the subwoofer that's also contained here in the middle. It uses a 40-watt racetrack woofer, which is actually 50% larger than the standard woofers. It provides deeper, more powerful bass in this compact design. To bolster that woofer are dual passive radiators, one on each side. Soundcore made this even cooler by integrating lights into these sides that can then sync up with your music. It's fully customizable and you can control it from within the app with different colors and different lighting effects. All these lighting effects look really cool. My personal favorites probably are the flame one. It's just kind of cool how it like lights up from the bottom like a flame dancing to the music. Also like lightning, these like staccato bursts of light are very cool. And the multicolored one where you can kind of get in there and control all the colors on there. I think these are all great. One of the killer features though is the instant boost you get with the BassUp 2.0 button. With just a press of a button, the output jumps 30% to 80 watts, and you can really hear how much more punchy that bass is. I'll play two different audio clips. I'll play the first time with BassUp 2.0 turned off, and then I'll repeat it again with BassUp 2.0 turned on. This will give you a good idea how well BassUp 2.0 works if you've got some decent speakers that you're listening on. Seriously, in person, it sounds so much better than I can even capture on the video. And if you've been around the channel for a little while, you probably recognize the audio that I'm using. It has a lot of great features between loud audio and a great price point. This thing is under $150, but for AppleInsider viewers, you can take an additional $10 off by using the coupon code down in the description for a limited time. This is a great deal on what may be the best portable Bluetooth bass-focused speaker under $150. Grab it at the link below in the description, and thank you again to Anker for sponsoring this video. If you want to keep up to date with all the latest Apple news, be sure you are subscribed to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any time that I post a new video. If you want to let me know what you want to see on the channel, let me know down below in the comments, over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, or on Threads at AndrewHera941. Otherwise, stay tuned. Got a lot more content coming your way.